Jesus! Why not? What are you doing? Rita, what is wrong with you?
Rita!
Go, sir.
You get my hair. You get my hair. Now my hair now you wear.
Why you gonna stop me? I don't like it.
Jesus, guys, it don't happen again. Shey una see that video of just now where I dey show now. You see that sling girl just because of say I heard that sister tell her say where you go last night. Because I heard that sister come slap her. Now this girl just begin the para. Her anger issue just begin come outside because normally this girl get anger issue. Nothing wey you want tell me about her. True. As I watch this girl video, I begin to shed tears. I weep on her behalf.
Mama.
For this life, if you know say you get anger issue, just try to maintain her. You see the way she take dey destroy those mirrors just now for that car. By the time where her hair don clear now, her body don come down, her mind go not touch ground. Because all those things she go pay. If not me, she go cry.
Sister, cause I see my sister. Since yesterday, like this guy come off fast. Since yesterday, like this guy come off fast. Rita, I won't carry you too. Since yesterday, like you come off for this house, and you wear my bone straight.
Where you go, sir?
You wear my hair. You get mine, you wear my hair. Now my hair now you wear.
Why you gonna stop me? I don't like it.
Where you go? Jesus Christ! Jesus, why? Jesus! Why not? What are you doing? Rita, what is wrong with you? Rita, what is wrong with you now? Jesus Christ! Rita, why now? Why you behaving like this now?
Rita, what's I do you? You come off fast since yesterday. I talk to you.
You come break your sister glass.
He did not say you did not go outside with your friends now. Why will you do this kind of thing? What's wrong with you now?
Rita, you come off fast since yesterday and I talk to you. You get mine, they break my car mirror.
Rita, why will you do this kind of thing?
Hey, Jesus. Rita.
What is this now?
See him now. You don't scatter him.
Rita, I want to do this.
Don't scatter him now.
No cry. You go fix him. No cry, I beg.